Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be taking you on a healthy trip as I have for you a simple but yet healthy drink for both young and adults. I'll be showing you how to make pineapple ginger drink. As we all know, fruits are beneficial for the body, but the combination of ginger and pineapple helps to ease digestion, it relieves congestion, it provides anti-inflammatory benefits, it supports the immune system and many other benefits you can get from this drink. So for this recipe, I'll be using pineapple, ginger, lemon and water. The first thing I did behind the camera was to peel the pineapple and cut it into smaller chunks. Make sure you remove the hard part of the pineapple and transfer into a blender. Next, cut the ginger into smaller pieces and also transfer into the blender. After which, I squeezed a generous amount of lemon in it, making sure I don't have the seeds in the blender. The next thing I'm doing is adding little water to it, enough to blend, and I'll blend it until a puree is formed. So here I am sifting to separate the shaft from the drink. And the pineapple ginger drink is ready to be served. You can refrigerate it if you want it chilled, though it is best served chilled. The shaft can be boiled again with any sweetener of your choice to get more juice, and you can also use it for simple syrup on your cakes and parfait. So I hope you learned one or two from this video. I'll see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video. Bye.